Rain or shine should enjoy its Game 2 win that equalized the 2018 PBA Commissioner's Cup best-of-5 semi-final series Thursday to 1 game apiece. Come Game 3 on Saturday, expect Barangay Ginebra to come back stronger. The Gin Kings dropped a sorry 100-109 loss to the Elasto Painters at the Big Dome, but Ginebra import Justin Brownlee remained optimistic of their chances. "We've been playing in the playoffs for a few years now, so I don't think it's going to be a dent on our confidence," said Brownlee, who had 29 points and 12 rebounds. Ginebra started off hot and went up by 14 points in the opening period, 35-21, only to fizzle out in the end, including an excruciating dry spell in the final 16 minutes. "I just give a lot of credit to rain or shine. It was them. We came out, we started the game good. We came out aggressive, but they matched that aggression, especially in the second half," said Brownlee. "It was them being aggressive in the fourth quarter and they hit some big shots." Jeff Chant put the Gin Kings ahead, 197, with 3:16 left in the fourth period before the Elasto Painters led by James Yap and import Reggie Johnson torched Ginebra with 12 unanswered points. Yap drilled the dagger triple from way deep with 1:07 left to push rain or shine's lead to 107-100. "They played tough defense. They did nothing unexpected. We definitely expect them to play physical and play harder," Brownlee said. "Anytime a team loses Game 1 of the playoffs, they are going to come out harder and aggressive." Ginebra will now try to get back at the Elasto Painters. And they'll be ready for sure. "We just got to bounce back. We have to come prepared, come ready," said Brownlee. "Sure, Coach Tim Cohn is going to go over some things, and for sure we'll be ready."